Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out Baby It's Cold Outside. Dun, 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 dun. Baby It's Cold Outside. I can't sing, so yeah, but yes, we're trying this Kylie Cosmetics 2018 Holiday Collection Mini Kit. You guys know how I love lipsticks, and I love mini lipsticks because I get to try out lots of them. I almost thought my channel was turning into a lipstick channel when I was doing so many lipsticks. All right, it says Kylie. I like the blue, the kind of freezy type of feel because it's winter. And it says, Happy Holidays. I hope your year has been filled with love and joy. Best wishes to you and yours. All my love, Kylie. I like Kylie's velvets and mattes. I love the velvets. I think they go on really pretty. Oh, look at that. So this is glittery. It's cute. It's baby blue. This is really cute. This is really cute. I like the packaging. So it says that each kit comes with 8 mini sizes of Kylie's favorite shades. So you get 2 velvet, 4 matte, and 2 metal liquid lipsticks. I've never tried her metals. And they each contain 0.80 grams. So I have my paper towel to wipe it off, and I got my Vaseline. So let's give it a whirl. Let's go light to dark because you guys have seen me go dark to light, and yeah, if it stains, you know, you sometimes don't get the real color, the true color of everything. So I'm going to open it. And let's start off, I guess this is a metallic one. This is Snowball. This is a metallic one. This is cute. It looks like her regular ones, just blue frost. And it is a pale pink metallic? Okay, it's a pale pink metallic. It looks gold, but okay, let's see. All right. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the sort of like the Anastasia metallic, except Anastasia's is a little bit more, maybe it's glittery, I don't know. But it reminds me of that. And I always feel like metallics, sometimes if they're lighter, it makes me feel like they don't look right on me. I don't know. That's a thing. I haven't gotten comfortable with light metallics. You guys know I love that Anastasia red, the one. Yeah, okay. It does dry down. I'm not sure if her metallics are, let me see, are long wearing. So let's see. Her velvet lipsticks are high intensity pigment for a full coverage lip. The matte liquid lipstick, high intensity pigment for an instant bold lip, and is extremely long wearing. It doesn't say anything about the metallics on here. But let me go ahead and swatch this, and as it dries down, I'll tell you if it dries all the way down. Okay, so it does, this is the swatch. It looks, maybe I just don't see the pink. It looks pink right here when I see it up close, and maybe, I guess it is a little pinkish on here, but I'm starting to like, yeah, okay. That's pretty. That's pretty. It doesn't go on smooth like the velvet or the matte. This kind of is, I have to dip in a few more times to get this to go on well. Yeah, pretty. Oh, I said I was going to test it. Some came off, but it did dry down, and it's a little sticky. So when I do this, it's a little sticky, which if that bothers you, okay. If it doesn't, all right then. Let's try the next one. All right, the next one is No Peeking. And it is a pale peachy nude velvet. Okay, so this is peach and it's pale, and it reminds me of one of the KKW lipsticks that I have, except the KKW lipsticks are very creamy, which I absolutely love. This goes on smooth and nice, the velvets. This is light for me. It's not overly light, but it's a lighter color, which hence the peach. Let me go ahead and swatch this. There we go. It's pretty. It is pretty. I'm getting used to darker and really lighter colors. I'm broadening my horizon some, but as I keep looking at this, this is pretty. This is pretty. Too light for me, maybe? I don't know. I think I'm liking it a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty. Let's try the next one. All right, the next one is Sweater Weather. It's a matte. It looks pretty in the bottle. And it is a warm pink matte. So we so far have two pinkish and a peach so far. Let's see. Okay, so this is, I think this color will look better on me if I had it in the velvet. The matte, because it dries down, it doesn't make, I don't know. Is this a pretty color on me? I don't know. I'm getting into pinks though, because I'm not a pink person. I'm really not a pink person, but I actually becoming to like some more pinks. But, interesting. Okay, and this dries all the way down, of course. It's long wearing. Let's go ahead and swatch. There we go. But yeah, okay. Let's go to the next one. All right, guys, next, this is pretty. I do like the packaging. Next is Small Wonder, and this is a velvet as well, and it is a warm rosy pink. The other one was a warm Sweater Weather, was warm pink, the one we had on before, and this is a warm rosy pink. I love the velvet, so let's see. I just said that if that was in the velvet, I probably would like it more. Let's see. Pink. The reason why I say I'm getting more used to pinks is because ever since Jasmine from the Disney ColourPop collection, that fuchsia that I love so much and that I normally shouldn't love, but I do love. And one of my wonderful viewers told me to put the Anastasia, when I had the metallics, the clear one, over like a fuchsia, and I tried it over my Jasmine, and it was beautiful. If you're watching, thank you. That was beautiful. So yeah. Okay. And let's go to the next one. All right, the next one is Naughty is the New Nice. It looks pretty in the bottle. Naughty is the New Nice is a metallic rosy red. I think I might love this. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. I mean, you can't have a holiday collection without a red. This is pretty. This is really pretty. This is a pretty metal. This is, yeah, I really like this. But you knew I would because my favorite color is red. Yeah, this is really pretty. I don't know, you feel just kind of like a pop when you put on a red lip. Like, hey, hi. Yeah, this is pretty. Let's watch this. I have a couple favorite reds. I like the red, the deep dark red from her Chloe one, and I like the one from her mom's collection, Chris. That's Wild. That's Wild is such a pretty red. I really love that. This is really pretty too, and I like the metallic. That's pretty. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't want to take this one off. This is really pretty. Let's go to the next one. All right, guys, 3 more to go. We are at December, which is a matte, and it is true red. Let's see what this looks like on me. True red. Everybody's true red is different. Okay, yeah, this is a true red. This is pretty. I like it. It is not as bright as Boss, which is a red in her collection that's a little bit more red. But this is, yeah, I would call this a true red. Kind of messed up my line. You gotta do good when it comes to the line with reds because you'll see every mess up. But this is pretty, and it's a matte, so it dries all the way down. That's pretty. It's a true red. I like it. Let's go to the next one. All right, guys. Next, we have Under the Tree, Matte Bright Fuchsia. Okay. I'm excited about this because I've been loving the Disney, the Jasmine Fuchsia. All right. Oh, yeah. This is pretty. Yeah. I'm loving fuchsia. I don't know why I'm loving fuchsia so much now, but I am. That's pretty. Yeah. Let's watch that. Now this make me feel 80s. This has a little purple kind of in it a little bit for me. But yeah, this is pretty. This is pretty. I like it. I like it. Let's go to the very last one. All right, guys, the last one, and it is called Hot Cocoa. I love hot cocoa. It is a matte deep plum red. Let's give it a whirl because my lips are like, ah. Wow, this is deep for me, and I'm trying to get used to darker colors, but this is it normally like the Anastasia metallic it has some metallic, some type of shine, or some type of, but when it's matte and it's just, I feel like my lips are too dark, but yeah, this is deep. I'm sure I'll get used to it though. Um, yeah, let's watch this. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's like a blood red. These are all of the colors. And be mindful, these are Kylie's favorite colors. So, yes, I would definitely, I really like the peach one. What is that? I really like No Peeking. I really like the Naughty is the New Nice. Really love that with the metallic rose red. I love the true red, the December, Under the Tree. So I I really like a lot of them. So that works out good. There are a lot of pinks and peaches. This is a very pink collection, and that seemingly is her favorites. So there are one, two, three, four. So half of the collection are pinks. If you're not a pink person, then yeah. But, and the other half is the peach and then the reds. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys to see if this is something that you want to buy or how they'll look on you. And yeah, I think I'm going to change back into this metallic red or this peach. We'll see. And I will see you guys next time. And thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye. I can start saying too, I think, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Okay. Yeah, I like these. I'm glad I got them.